Let's create a design using positive space and negative space. I will tell you about those spaces. This yellow paper is your positive space. When you cut and flip the piece out, you're going to have an empty space inside. That is your negative space. And look, you can also have the positive space outside. Let's do it together. We will need construction paper, a pencil, an eraser, scissors, and a glue stick. I used a 4x4 inch blue square and an 8x10 inch white paper. First, draw some simple geometric and organic shapes on each side of the blue paper. Make sure your shapes start and end on the same side of the paper. And try not to cross the middle to fit them on the white paper without going over it when you flip the cutout piece. If you want to make an interesting double image, draw another smaller shape inside of the shape. Remember that you will have to cut every line that you draw, so don't make the lines overlap each other. Once your sketch is complete, place your blue square in the center of the white paper and trace around it. That will be the place where we glue all the cutout pieces to be lined up. Now cut all the shapes out of the blue square. Do not lose any pieces. Set all your cutouts aside and glue the large blue piece in the center of the white paper. See, it looks like a puzzle. Let's put all the cutout pieces right back in place. Great! Flip your cutout pieces to the outside of the edge to make a mirror image. And line up the pieces right along the pencil line and glue them. Repeat this and match all the pieces in the right place around the square. If your foot shape has another shape inside, make that small piece go back in the place that it used to be in. Make sure you glue the bigger pieces first so you can line up the small ones next. Then erase the pencil lines. Nice! Make your unique design with any color and any shape you want. Do you want to try it with me? It'll be fun. I hope you enjoy it. See you in the next video. Bye!